Thank you so much. I come from Ohio, doing a little traveling and playing. It's an honor to close out this night of great songwriting. So thanks for having me. You come from the places I never wanted to mention. Born of the blood-red skies from the darkest dimension. When you don't know what to do, when the sky falls around you, and you don't know what to say, never made sense anyway. Confusing the truth of the mind. Confusing the truth of the mind. In this life you will find that nothing is as it seems. The endless stage of a spiral mind. In this world out of time, struggling at the seams, it never made sense anyway. You cover up your head and wait for it to leave you, conjuring up the dead just to see what's beneath you. Well, what am I to do when the ground shakes beneath you? And what am I to say? Never made sense anyway. Confusing the truth of the mind. Confusing the truth of the mind. In this life you will find that nothing is as it seems. The endless stage of a spiral mind. In this world out of time, you're scrubbing at the seams. It never made sense anyway.
And that's Zack Fletcher. And Ricky Davis.